Hello guys, so today we will learn how to insert the spider or radar chart in Origin. So the radar or spider charts looks like the spider, and that's why it's called spider charts. So first you have to open your Origin, then you have to insert some different parameters. I have inserted contact angle, strength, porosity, thickness along with their units. So you can also insert the units later, but I have inserted along with the these parameters in x-axis. And for y-axis I have chosen their values. I have three samples: PVDF, glass and cell guard. So based on different samples I have inserted their values, and you can see the angle range is different, strength range is different, and similarly the electrolyte uptake is range is different. So we will draw their axis range differently. So just choose the x-axis, then you can choose 1 or 2 y-axis, and even you can choose 3. So I will only keep 2 y-axis. Then go to the plot, choose the specialized, and here is the radar or spider plots. You can see 3 options. So let's try this one. Here is your chart, but you can notice one thing, that the range is from -50 to 300 for all the parameters, so which is incorrect. So we have to click on this line and click on the show, then uncheck this and check the rescale each axis independently. So each axis will be independent of each other. So then click OK, and here you can see now this contact angle ranges from 0 to 6. This ranges from 0 to 30. This ranges from 0 to 100. This ranges from 0 to 300. So now the spider chart is ready. So you can move these titles. For example, I cannot see this title, so I will change it, make it small. I will just rotate this 90 degree. Okay, yeah, so it's here. So then I will also rotate to keep my chart looking good in symmetric mode, like 90 degree. Okay, so both are rotated at 90 degree, and this is hidden, so I will bring out, yeah. Or you can also move this chart here left and right. So all the titles are now on the graph. You can also rotate these to 45 degree if you want, like this, and then you can move it here or there. Okay, yeah, so let's keep it horizontal. Properties and 0. Okay, so the spider chart is ready. So these are the legends. Okay, so let's make it more beautiful. So click on this one. First we have to make them independent so that they don't affect each other. So for this sample, which is related to PVDF, we have to choose the line is red, you can see, and we can change the color of the line blue. You can see the line is now blue. Okay, then you can also change the symbol. Let's move to this one and also make it blue. Yeah, now you can see it's blue symbol. You can also increase their size. Okay, let's choose the line symbol, and then I guess from the line we can fill the area under this line like this. So this area will be filled. Let's choose a color. For example, we choose color this one. Well, let's see. You can see the area is filled. So you can also increase or decrease their transparency. It's more transparent. If you want to make it more solid or less transparent, you can make it like this. Okay, perfect. Similarly, you can click on this, change their line, change their symbol, and area under the line. You can click and you can fill up. Let's choose for this one maybe green. Okay, now you can see the graph is green for this glass sample. So this is the way how we can insert the spider chart. So I will just recap. So just insert your parameter, insert their values, click on all the columns and plot, and then in specialized section you can click on the line, symbol, or anyone. So it will give you the chart and then you can modify it. So today we learned how to draw the spider or radar chart using Origin. If you have any question, please feel free to comment. Thank you very much.